How to unsend the photos from both side on Messenger. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete certain photos or videos from both side. So first of all, make sure you go on the Google Play Store of your device and install and update the latest version of Messenger application so that you won't miss out any new features. If you have already done so, then you can simply open your Messenger application. Now send any photos or videos to any other person and you don't want them to view after sending that photos, or even after viewing you want to unsend it, then what you can do is simply tap on that photo, long press it, and on the down right side you will see there are three horizontal lines. Tap on the more option, tap on the remove option. There is the option remove for you and unsend option. When you remove it from you, then you will only be the one that cannot see the photo, so do not tap on that option because you cannot change it afterwards. Tap on the unsend option and now the photo is unsent and no one can view the photo from both sides. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.